Hello, welcome back friend. Here in this lesson, we're going to learn about various transformation properties in Lightroom. So let's start. On the right hand side in the developer pane, you can scroll down to find the set of properties under the transform category. In transform category, you got various properties such as vertical and horizontal stretching. You can stretch your image along the vertical and horizontal axis. You can use the slider to control the amount of stretch in both the direction. Then you got the aspect ratio, rotation. You can rotate your image uh, to the right hand side, left hand side, or the clockwise or anti-clockwise. Then you can scale your image, zoom in or zoom out. You can change the aspect ratio, make it larger. Then you got X and Y offset to shift your image towards the Y or the X axis. So these are the properties that comes under transform. You can choose to apply various kind of effect. Say if your image is not aligned to the horizon, you can rotate it slightly to align. Or sometimes you may require an inclination of some object. Say if I want to place this object, we can offset it to the x and y axis. The best way is to zoom in to the object if something is not zoomed already. Here the ship, I want to enlarge it, so zoom, scale up, set a x offset, the y offset, and you can find it. You can rotate it slightly to get something you want, and you can choose to apply other effects as well. Changing the color scheme to saturation is a different thing, but Lightroom also allows you various tools that people think are only available in Photoshop. Lightroom is not just a color grading tool, it allows you to edit your photos as well. So you got various kinds of filters, you got this transformation properties, you got more options like brush and different things. So here these are the basic transformation properties. You can select various images and apply different kind of transformations as you choose to go. Keep learning and keep moving ahead. Be creative for image editing in Lightroom.